Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Lake Forest, local and long distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our professional movers help make your long distance move so much simpler. Regardless of how far you want to relocate, our professional team of movers will make it easier. The right moving services make all the difference, and our team provides just what you need for your upcoming move. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers many other options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It may not be easy to justify the cost of getting an Illinois moving company. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company can help you realize why it's worth the cost. The time savings you can get easily make it worth the cost as well. You'll get to avoid doing the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. With our experienced movers, you receive a very efficient move from beginning to end. Moving day becomes so much easier with 3 movers simply because we simplify your whole entire move. Even when your whole move is large enough that it'll take you all week, we can get it done in no more than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lake Forest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.